Hi team. So today I'm going to see how to create your own custom tool using CrewAI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own custom tool and I'm going to use it with CrewAI. Now, essentially you might have seen several tools which are already available, but if you want to create something for your own use case, you may have to write from scratch. And what we are going to do in our example is we are going to go through web using Bing API. So my tool is using, will be using Bing API. It will go to the specific web as such, will get some news, especially from merger and acquisition perspective. So the agent that I'm trying to write, it creates a report, the final report, but this merger acquisition report is actually based on, whatever things that whatever news articles I capture from Bing. So that's what it does. So first of all, it will go to Bing. It will search for a specific topic that I wrote, and then it is going to get a report generated on that particular topic. So first part is custom. Second part of writing, a report is something which is already existing in the tools for CrewAI. So let's get started. So the code will be available in GitHub repo, so you need not to worry about it. So I'm using this specific template already given by CrewAI. So we have agent, and these are the two agents which we have. So one is researcher, which is again going to web and going to do a data research. Again, the web part is still not there, so I will create a specific tool to fetch it from web. But these two are representing the two agents. So one is to research the topic, second is to write a report. Then we have separate task, and again we have something like research task as well as reporting task. And research task, researches about that particular topic. Reporting task reports about that topic. Again, who have whoever has used Crew AI, they know that this is a pretty standard example, but we are going to make it like little bit interesting. So if I directly go to, let's say, crew.py, now what we are going to see is here is where I have written my custom tool. So, it's a boilerplate code. But if you see from here, what I am trying to do here is I am just fetching the, credentials for Bing API. And then I have a neatly coupled function. What it tries to do is it tries to, have the query sent to it. And then it creates an array. And this array represents some, news about the latest happening on this particular topic. So essentially what's happening here is it is just getting to web using Bing API, getting that particular news articles. And then what we are doing is we are using this custom tool. So this is just wrapping the function which was, displayed earlier. So this is what exactly it tries to do. And what is going to happen next is, my researcher agent will use this custom tool. So I'm going to pass a custom query or custom parameter, for example, some news about some particular company for merger acquisition. It is going to analyze it using my custom search tool, and then it is going to send it to reporting analyst, and then reporting analyst is going to work out and create a report. So this is what is going to happen. Now let me, run this and let me show you how the end results look like. So I'm going to just run the report and see the results. So here I am. So I'm just going into that particular folder where, this agents are installed. And then I'm going to run CrewAI. So basically what will be happening is it will go to that particular folder and going to run that particular program. And if you see here, we have already written run. So basically, I have just given it a topic called Nissan. So it is going to fetch news on Nissan and create a report based on the merger acquisition. So we know that Nissan was in news because of merger acquisition. So it was talking to Toyota as per I remember. So let's see if some report is generated which captures this. So it is going there. So it is using our two agents. to capture all the latest news on Nissan, and then it is analyzing that report. So it has started. It is calling those news API and all. So I just put everything here, but I will not go through all these steps. Maybe let me see the final report and come to the conclusion what it is. So if you see, my report will be generated someplace as a HTML report. So if I go to, let's say, config tasks, so I'm generating an HTML report here. So okay, it has generated one HTML report. So let me see it again. It prints it all, but let's see the report, which is again in form of HTML available. But yeah, definitely it's a markdown. It's not purely HTML, but let's go through the report. So Nissan mergers and acquisition report, introduction, merger collapse, the Nissan Honda proposal. This is what I was talking about. Nissan's turnaround strategy, financial performance overview, industry consolidation trends. Again, very good thing which is captured, board decisions, interest from technology companies, the need for strategic partnership, and so on. So conclusion is Nissan stands at a pivotal juncture as it confronts a hybrid of challenges stemming from so and so on. So basically, again, this was a very small video as such, but it tells the power of creating your own custom tools. If you want to create your custom tool for your own use cases, you can definitely use this specific way of writing the custom tool. So thanks team. Thanks for watching. Bye.